Curt Wells connected with Mathews design engineer Mark Hayes.
Greetings from the Outdoor Sportsman Group. I'm Curt Wells, editor at Bowhunter Magazine. And my guest today is Mark Hayes. He's the design engineering manager at Mathews Archery. Yeah, so we'd all like to hear about the new flagship bow, the V3. I have a V331 right here that I've got all tuned up and ready for some late season hunting.
Awesome.
And I know you have another model, the V327. So why don't you give us some more details about this design?
Yeah, I'd love to. I got them both right here, and you can tell there's a sizable difference in these two, but they're built on the same technologies. And there's three key features this year that kind of set these apart in the direction that we went. That, as the name suggests, this is the V3. We've been going a certain direction the past few years, and that direction has been a long, stable, rigid riser, but in a compact axle-to-axle length. You're shooting the 31, and traditionally, that's a short bow. But that is our long, stable bow in these two platforms, because where you're getting that stability is that long, rigid riser. And these are the longest riser axle-to-axle lengths that we've ever had, meaning you're getting the most stability in the most compact platform that you've ever had. So in addition to your 31, though, we've gone to new territory. We've gone shorter than we've ever had on the axle-to-axle length in our 27. And this is the one I'm shooting. This one fits my style. Because I don't want to give up stability, but I also want to be in the most compact platform that I can get. We've got two models, two different people, two different hunters, but with all the same technology. One of the first things you're going to see, the center guard, cannibal containment system. We developed a roller guard a few years ago, and we just continued to develop that with a reverse assist. But there hasn't been a big development until this year. The center guard puts the cables where they cross right in the center of the bow. And that does two things. One, for the first time ever, your cams are perfectly timed, because your cams come around and hit your cables. When you have an offset cable guard, it's slightly different. And so your cams were never perfectly timed. And it's hard to get it in the center because your arrow's right in the way and you don't want to affect vane clearance. With the new design of this roller guard, it does both. It puts the cables right in the center, so your cams are perfectly timed out of the box, with an added benefit of actually more vane clearance, because all you have to miss is 1 point on your roller. You're not trying to get it past a whole cable. So really excited about that. We've been working on that for a few years and just looking for the right system to put it on, and this one was it. And then the last thing is we got a new harmonic damper down here. We developed harmonic dampening over 20 years ago, and we just continue to develop that as the vibration profiles of the product changed. The V3 has a unique vibration profile, so we had to develop a brand new damper to fit that. And the goal as an engineering group is to just get everything as condensed and small as possible, but not sacrifice any effectiveness. And that's what this new damper does. It's called the Nano 740, brand new weight and a proprietary elastomer that's just tuned perfectly for the vibration profiles of these two bows. We're super excited for this year. We got two other bows as well that fit a different niche, the Prima for women and the Atlas for the long draw. They're all built on the same ideas and principles of the long riser, compact bows with all our other technologies in it.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for being here, Mark. And I hope your 2021 is a lot better than your 2020 was.
There's a good chance it will be.
Yeah.
Thank you, Curt.
Good luck to you and your family and the Mathews family as well.